Okay, this refrigerator is low of freon. Can you see my gauges is down 0. For a good pressure in the system, it has over 0 for getting a good pressure inside the system, but now I see it's low. That is the reason it doesn't getting cold. The refrigerator. I'm going to add some freon in the system, and then it's gonna work fine again. Okay, this. There we go. It's getting in. See, the compressor is good because it's suction, and the nail is going back to 0. When the compressor is bad, all the time it go up and it doesn't back to 0. That's meaning the compressor, it doesn't suction, it doesn't have any compression inside the system. But now it's working fine. Okay? Go up and down, up and down. Okay, oh, it's getting hot. See? Now it's a little bit over 0, a little more, and that's gonna be okay. Oh, I can feel the high side is so hot. This is the high side and this is the low side. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, it's getting cold. I can feel it. The air is flowing to the side, and also can feel the air. It's much fresh now on the freezer side. Now everything is okay.